How to clear cache on Android.
Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
Cache occupies unnecessary storage in our devices, either it is app cache or web cache. To clear the app cache on Android, go to the settings, scroll down and click on apps. Click on the app whose cache you want to clear. Scroll down and click on storage. And here you can simply press on clear cache and your cache will be cleared. To clear the web browser cache, open the web browser, tap on three dot on the top right corner and click on history. And here on the top you can see clear browsing data. So just click on that. And here make sure to choose all time and press on clear data. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.